You guys, welcome back. I'm craving something spicy and funky on this humid summer day. Today I'm making Prik Jown, a robust chili dip made of shrimp paste and chunks of shrimp. Great for veggies and fish over jasmine rice. Let's get started. This is the brand of shrimp paste that I'm using. Traditionally, this is made with Southern Thai-style shrimp paste, which is drier, less salty, and has a lighter color. Because that's hard to get here, this kind of shrimp paste will do, and I'll just use less than what's usually used. If I had banana leaves, I'd use that to wrap up the shrimp paste. I'm using parchment paper instead. Grill or bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Make sure to have your windows open. If you can grill this outdoors, that would be best. In the meantime, slice shallots, and red chilies. We'll need shrimp peeled and deveined, as well as some of the shells. Cut the shrimp into bite-sized pieces. Let's clean them with salt. Mix and rinse a few times with water and drain. Let's make shrimp broth. When the water boils, add in the shrimp and shells. Discard the shells. They've added a lot of flavor. After baking or grilling the shrimp paste, place it in a bowl. Add shrimp broth and dissolve the shrimp paste well. In goes the shrimp. Chilies and shallots. A little bit of sugar, shouldn't be too sweet. And fresh lime juice. Mix well. Taste and adjust the flavors to your liking. It's umami and tangy, with a hint of sweetness but not too much. Serve with your favorite vegetables and herbs. I like to eat it with a bit of fish as well, and most importantly, with jasmine rice. Here we have it, Prik Jown. Super vibrant and robust, funky in all the right ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.